Okay, class, so here is now the third presentation and break-even analysis. Okay, so I will again give you another example for you to understand clearly. Okay, the break-even analysis. Okay, so here is now class. This is MA Board April 1984. Okay, so the Asian Transmission Company makes the sales or and sells certain automotive parts. Present sales volume is 500,000 units a year at a selling price of 50 centavos per unit. Okay. Fixed expenses total is 80,000 per year. Okay. So the question now, class, is what is the present total profit for a year? And another for letter B, what is the present break-even point in pesos and in units? Okay. So class, the solution. So A, total sales equals 500,000 multiplied by 50 centavos. So that is 250,000. Expenses of 80,000. So total profit is 170,000. Okay. So for letter B, so X equals the number of units. So expenses is 80,000. So equals to the price, of course, of 50 centavos per unit. So multiplied by X, or the total number of units. So therefore, getting now the value of X equals 160,000 units. Okay? So 80,000 now equals to 500,000 multiplied by Y. Okay? So this is the price per unit. Okay? So getting Y now, so that is 0.16 pesos per unit. Okay? So another class, so maybe this is now the last example so that I will give you. Okay? So study hard class. Okay? So a factory engaged in the fabrication of an automobile part with a production capacity of 700,000 units per year is only operating at 62% of capacity due to unavailability of the necessary foreign currency to finance the importation of the raw materials. So the annual income is 430,000. Annual fixed cost are 190,000 and variable cost of 0.348 per unit. So what is the current profit or loss? Okay. And another is what is the break-even point? Okay. So this is now the total units produced per year, 700,000 multiplied by 0.62, so that is 434,000 per units, or units rather. Okay. So total annual cost is 190,000 plus 0.348 divided by 434,000. So that is 431,032 pesos. Okay. Total annual income is 430,000. Total profit, subtracting now 430,000 minus 341,032. So that is 88,968. So that is now the total profit. So selling price per unit. Okay, so that is 430,000 times 434,000 equals to, or divided by rather, 434,000 is 0.99. So X now is the number of units to break even. Getting X now. So 0.99X equals 190,000 plus 0.348X, and then the number of units required now is 295,000 units. Okay. So thank you very much, class. That's all about my presentation and break-even analysis. Okay? Thank you.